Hello everyone, welcome to Visits. Ghost stories are a staple of horror and film. But which were the genre's best films of the last 5 years? Here we are showing top 7 movies. Personal Shopper. Kristen Stewart stars in this film as Maureen, a young American who works as a professional shopper for a supermodel and is recovering from the loss of her twin brother. Being both suffers on the same health condition, the twins have promised each other that whoever dies first would give indications of their spiritual presence to the one that stays back. Darling. In this film directed by Michael Keating, Lauren Ashley Carter stars as Darling, a lonely young woman charged with keeping an old home in New York. Darling's descent into madness begins when she meets a strangely familiar man and starts hallucinating. Darling's tale of visions and ultimate self-destruction has provided viewers with the experience of a very fascinating horror movie, praising the atmosphere and the style of the picture. Lights Out. Critically appraised for its direction, acting, screenplay and music, David F. Sandberg's supernatural horror film Lights Out is worth a watch by the lovers of the genre. The film tells the story of a family that encounters the ghost of Diana, a former acquaintance of Mother Sophie who had died because of a medical mistake. If anyone has ever been afraid of the dark, this movie turns up that fear by 10. The longer the lights are off, the closer the evil can approach. Dr. Sleep. Stephen King's name is without a doubt linked in some of the best horror movies anyone have ever watched. The film, much like its predecessor The Shining, is about literal ghosts, but on a deeper level, the ghosts of our past and present. Dr. Sleep, directed by Mike Flanagan, follows the character of Donnie Terrence from The Shining, who has been struggling with ghosts because of his supernatural ability. Now an adult Dan must protect a young girl with the same abilities from a dangerous cult. Ghost Stories. Ghost Stories were based on the harmonious stage play by Jeremy Dyson and Andy Nyman that premiered in 2010 at the Liverpool Playhouse in the UK. Those who have seen both the play and the film would say that the play is more frightening, but that might be because of the theatre's atmosphere. Nyman stars as Philip Goodman, a professor of parapsychology who debugs fake physics. When he is promoted by an older psychic debunker, an idol of his own, to explore 3 paranormal cases that he was never able to explain. Goodman's firm belief in reality starts to shatter around him. The Autopsy of Jane Doe. The haunting pervasiveness of The Autopsy of Jane Doe is unique. It stays with its audience long after the credits roll. Tommy and his son Austin are the sole conservators of a small town when the body of a young unidentified woman named Jane Doe, who was found in the foundations of a homicide scene, is brought in. As the two perform the autopsy, mysterious and creepy happenings begin to unnerve them. The woman's corpse confused them. She looks perfect on the outside but is deeply damaged inside.
What happened?
Hereditary. Hereditary is by far the most horrifying film on this list and a masterpiece by Ari Aster, whom audiences also known for his most recent brilliant horror movie Midsommar. Annie Graham attends her mother Alan's funeral when she refers to their less than ideal terms. She later thinks she saw her mother's apparition while her husband finds out Alan's grave has been desecrated. Peter, Annie's older son, is forced to take his younger sister Charlie to a party with him. A series of ugly events result in Charlie's death and the family left full of shock and simmering hate. Annie is convinced to do a seance with Peter is plagued by his sister's apparition.
She had private ritual.